Hey, happy hump day. How are you today? My name is Jane Northrup, and I'm coming to you live from Orlando, Florida. I hope you're having a great day, a great week, and um, I'm a little, I've been waiting for the last minute to find content for these lives, and so I haven't been really happy with the lives. I like to bring something that I have a passion for or that really impacts me in some way. And I've lacked that for the last couple of weeks. And so today was no exception. So I kind of pulled this out of, I pulled it out and I really, it's okay, but I need to start doing better. So I'm going to talk about cleaning challenges that we may have and how to solve them. So, when it comes to cleaning makeup sponges, you could, those little, triangular makeup sponges. I'm sure you can do it with the other kinds, but that's what this was one of those triangular shaped sponges. Take a bar of soap, any bar of soap, and run it under the water, and then take the sponge and rub it against the soap, and the soap will clean the sponge from the inside out. Really cool. And then on the same lines with makeup, and makeup brushes. So if you have a problem getting your makeup brushes clean, fill a cup of fill a cup with about an inch of water and put your brushes in them along with a tablespoon of dish soap and a tablespoon of vinegar, and let them soak for at least 10 minutes. And the secret tip to this is you take a comb and you run it under the water and use that comb and comb out the bristles. So I have never tried this. I don't really use makeup brushes, so it seemed to work when I saw it done. So folding a fitted sheet. Now me, I usually just kind of fold it and bunch it. But this was really cool. And I know you can fold a fitted sheet. So you take the short ends of the sheet and you lay them onto the top of your bed. Take the bottom two ends of the sheet and fold them up and fold them under the two ends. And then you fold it over. So you're going to, and then it's going to be like this. And then you're going to go flip, flip, and then you're going to just flip it together. And once you have that rectangle, you can just flip it, and you really need to see it. I'll put the link for the video down below, but it was awesome. I did write down the directions, so I'm going to try this the next time I have to fit a folded sheet. So the next cleaning challenge is mineral deposits that accumulate on your shower head. And I think most of us tend to have this. So what you can do, now there's two different ways. I've seen another way that you can do it. So it's mineral deposits. You take a cloth that's soaked in white vinegar and you wrap it around your shower head, and then you let it soak overnight. Another way you can do it is to do the same thing but use a baggie and put the bag over the shower head with a rubber band. That's another way you can do it too. How to clean your dish sponges. Now I don't use dish sponges. I use a viral sponge from Norwex, and so it works great, and I don't have to keep rebuying it, and it doesn't smell. So, but if you use dish sponges and you need to clean them, It really doesn't say, she really didn't talk about how to clean the dish sponges other than put them in the microwave. I think you could put them in the microwave or you can put them in the dishwasher. Now she talked about it is better to use a dish brush, and so if it is a plastic one, you can stick it in the dishwasher. If it's not a plastic, like I have one that's a wooden handle, I wouldn't put it in the dishwasher. You can take some, there are some dish brushes that are just a little brush with a little knob. I know Grove Collaborative has them. And what you can do is you can soak it in white vinegar overnight and then rinse with dishwater and dish soap and hot water. And then for those mysterious stains that you get on your rug, you can fill a spray bottle with warm water and a tablespoon of dish soap, saturate a cleaning rag, and dab the stain. You have to dab it though. The stain should come up. Then take another rag and soaked in cold water and put that on the area to clean up the remaining soap. Then stack some paper towels over that area and weigh it down with a book or something. And then the next day you can come back and the rug will be dry and there should be no stain. And those yellow pillows that we have, what creates those yellow pillows is the drool and the sweat and the bacteria. So soak it in hot water with a cup of baking soda and a cup of powdered laundry detergent. And let it soak for about 30 minutes or more. Now you got to make sure that your pillows are washable. You put them in the washer in the longest cycle that there is for your washer, and then dry on air fluff, and they'll come out nice and white. Cleaning your coffee makers. So in the water where you put the water in your coffee maker, you're going to add 50% distilled white vinegar and 50% water, and you're going to run it through. And then you need to run it through twice more with just water to make sure you get the vinegar out. This is because of the deposits, and your coffee will taste much better. Then there was duvet covers. Now I don't use a duvet, but if you do, there's a method called the California roll method, and if you flip the duvet inside out, you want the opening to be at the foot of your bed. Then you put your comforter on it, line up the corners, go to the head of the comforter and roll it up. Just roll it right up. And once you get to the end, reach your hand in the corner of the duvet and flip it over the end of the roll. And then you do the same thing on the other side, and then you roll it back toward the head of the bed, and you have your duvet over your comforter. So those were some of her challenges that she had, and it was a YouTube video. I believe well, I know what her name is, but whether I pronounce it right, her name is Brittany Vasseur. I believe that's how you pronounce her name, and I will link her video below, so if you wanted to try any of these, you could at least watch her do it. So I hope you all have a wonderful day.